nightingale in her dwelling. You'll go see my lady for me, and tell her of my affairs, and let her tell you of hers in truth, and bring back word of how she is, but let her remember me, for by no pleasure should she keep you there, so that you don't return at once to tell me her state and her bearing, for I have neither parent nor brother from whom I so much want to know it. Now the joyful bird goes straight toward where she reigns with purpose, without fear, until it finds her sign.
When the little bird of good nature saw her beauty appear, it began to cry out a sweet song, as it is wont to do toward evening. Then it stays quiet, it does not cry out, but strives to tell her without error what she deigns to hear.
He who is your true lover, wish that I in your power should come here to be a singer, so that it would be a pleasure to you, and I will know when I see the sign from you what I will tell him, if I know anything for which he may rejoice there.
And if I bring him something to brighten him, you should have great joy of it, for never was a man born of mother who could wish you so much good. I will go now and depart with joy when...
No, I won't go, for I have not said what complaint I take of her. Of this I will make myself a pleader.
He who has his hope in love should not delay at all, as long as love has leisure, for why quickly falls to bay like a flower on the wood, and it's worth more to do the deed before something else takes it from you.
The bird held a straight path there where I sent it, and she sends me a message according to what she shaped of me.
It pleases me greatly, know this your speech, and listen, so that you tell him what I care about.
It can well be a torment to me that my friend has been distant so long, for never joy of any lineage did I see that pleased me so much.
Too soon was the parting, but if I was sure more goodness I'd have enough of it.
For this I feel regret,
For I love him with such good heart that always if I fall half asleep I have with him in companionship, sport and joy and delight and smiles, and the company I have in peace no creature knows.
so much when he lies in my arms, until he transforms. She was always pleasing to me since I saw her, and before I saw her, and of no richer lineage do I want to have another conquest. My thought is well made, it cannot torture me, wind nor ice nor summer, nor heat nor cold.
Good love has a usage like good gold, when it is truly fine, that it purifies itself of goodness for him who serves it with goodness.
And believe that friendship each day improves, and love is he whose joy endures.